Here I have Blackberry KeyOne, and let me show you how to activate the Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the upper bar, just slide twice to open it fully, and then tap on Do Not Disturb mode icon, just like that. Now your DND mode is on. If you would like to switch it off, tap on the same icon one more time. But if you would like to change the mode of DND, or if you would like to personalize it, just tap on Do Not Disturb mode icon and hold it for about 3 seconds. And as you can see, now you are in DND preferences. And here you can select priority only allow, so you can change the priorities that you have. It can be reminders, events, you can switch them off, obviously. You can pick calls, so here you can select which calls will be on, from anyone, from contacts only, from start contacts only, or from none of them. So let me pick, for example, from contacts only. And then you can enable repeat callers mode, so if the same person calls you a second time within a 15-minute period of time, it will allow it, so you will be able to hear the sound of the call-in. You can activate it if you want to. So let's go back from priority only, and now you can also set up some rules. So let me pick, for example, weekend, and now if you tap over here, and once it's on, as you can see, Friday and Saturday between 11:30 p.m. and 10 a.m. next day, your DND mode will be on. You can also delete this mode, delete this rule just by tapping on bin icon and then confirming it by tapping on delete. If you would like to add some other rule, your one, just tap on add more. You can select if it's event rule or time rule. I will pick time rule. Now you can type the name of this rule. Of course, it won't be hard to reset, but let me name it like that. Tap on OK. Then select the days on which DND mode should be activated. So let me pick Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I will type off the weekend, and then start time 10 p.m. and time 6 a.m. next day. And now on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. DND mode will be on. It will turn on automatically. So actually that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.